I failed my test. I failed my JPJ theory car license test. There is 50 questions in total. I need to be right at least 42, and I got 41. And there's only one question that I got wrong, and because of that one stupid question, I can pass. Damn fucking bitch. So this is my explanation. We have sistem kejaran baru and sistem kejaran lama, sistem kejaran new and sistem kejaran old. Because inside the app, they will also ask for sistem kejaran old. So I decide to write both of sistem kejaran baru and sistem kejaran lama. They are really similar. They are super similar. The only difference is the what's called the point, the demerit point. So I got confused. And the fact that because inside the apps they also come out with like sistem kejaran lama, sistem kejaran old. So I thought that even inside the exam they would have the sistem kejaran old. They don't. They don't.
Bombastic side eye.
Okay, that's like whatever. The worst part is someone in the room, someone on my row is singing the and their voice is like bro. Macam crack. Like so, bro was singing the sad Malaysian song and tried to hit the high note. You can't shut up. I got distracted because he was so loud, he was so noisy, and like all the clicking, it gave me anxiety. And the fact that today was raining cats and dogs, I thought God was on my side and decided to give me luck. No, I was this close to get my L license. This close.
What the dog doing?